As per our sushi swap cost forecast, the cost of sushi truly is, in a real sense, anticipated to drop by $0.016762 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.604049 by September 21, 2023. Assuming you certainly are looking for sushi swap market gauge examination or cost expectation, you likely need to know where the cost of sushi swap, sushi, may especially go from here on out. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to generally attempt and sort of foresee future cost developments, lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. This value expectation is pointed toward responding to a large portion of your inquiries in a for the most part huge manner. Will sushi swap, sushi, really recover its all-time high in a significant way? What will sushi swap be worth 1 month from now, which is genuinely huge? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase sushi swap, which for the most part is genuinely huge? Is sushi swap presently giving bullish or negative indications in an unobtrusive manner? In this sushi swap cost expectation gauge, we will deal with different sushi specialized markers to foresee the cost of sushi swap. Sushi swap financial backers have encountered returns of more than 4.27% on their venture this previous week, especially because of the bullish period sushi has encountered. Subsequent to dissecting the specialized pointers for sushi, we expect a slight remedy could occur throughout the following couple of days, in an extremely enormous manner. Beneath you can sort of see the sushi swap hourly, day-to-day, certainly week by week, and for the most part month-to-month cost expectations. These expectations mean to provide you with a sign of what sushi swap will in a real sense be worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the fundamentally 1 week from now, and especially next month. The genuinely current cost of sushi swap is $0.620811, and it certainly is at present position number 156 out of all cryptographic forms of money, in spite of mainstream thinking. How much stockpile as of now available for use for sushi swap is 231,134,291, with an all-out market capitalization of $143,180,189. In the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the cost of sushi swap has expanded by 5.61%. As opposed to prevalent thinking, sushi swap has developed at a sort of consistent speed over the very most recent 7 days, acquiring 4.27%, or so they in a real sense thought. This increment has sushi swap financial backers amped up for the profit from venture that they have made for this present week. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of sushi dropped by 20.31%, diminishing its past worth of $0.779032 by $0.158221. This extremely current downtrend truly implies that sushi swap is in plunge at the present time. Sushi swap cost generally has expanded by 5.64% in the beyond 90 days, adding $0.033144 to its past worth of $0.587667. Our sushi swap market conjectures are resolved, utilizing different machine-based calculations, which examine different specialized pointers, for example, the essentially relative strength record, RSI, moving commonly normal combination dissimilarity, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, genuinely normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Groups, BB, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unstable. Foreseeing future costs of sushi swap generally is a troublesome errand, and numerous different variables impact the cost. Thus, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do your own exploration. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to settling on any venture choices. Sushi swap, sushi, value forecast 2023. As we really recuperate from the crypto winter, we in a real sense are expecting that sushi swap will accomplish a greatest cost of $1.12. As the market begins to recuperate, which is genuinely critical, the base expected cost is $0.744973, and the typical cost will float around $0.931216. Sushi swap, sushi, value expectation 2024. As sushi swap keeps on arriving at new highs, Our calculation expects that in 2024, Sushi Swap can really accomplish a greatest cost of $1.74, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $1.55 in a significant manner. In the event that a bear market shows up, the base value Sushi can reach in 2024 is $1.37. Sushi Swap, Sushi, Value Forecast 2025 out of 2025. We anticipate that Sushi Swap should see amazing development, as crypto earns respect across essentially numerous business areas, which is genuinely huge. Subsequently, the cost could reach as lovely high as $2.36, averaging around $2.17. Sushi Swap could see a base cost of $1.99 in an unobtrusive manner. Sushi Swap, Sushi, Value Expectation 2026 with the preceded with development of truly capital in the crypto market. Sushi Swap could in every way that really matters arrive at a most extreme cost of $2.98 in 2026, with an in every practical sense, normal cost of $2.79. If an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast especially sits at $2.61 in a huge manner. Sushi Swap, Sushi, Value Expectation 2027. Considering the reception of sushi by nations all over the planet, Sushi Swap can guarantee a greatest cost of $3.60 by 2027, with an in every way that really matters, normal cost of $3.41 anticipated. Moreover, the base cost for that very year could see $3.23. Sushi Swap, Sushi, Value Expectation 2028 in the year 2028. Sushi Swap reception will generally keep on ascending, with controllers beginning to truly acknowledge that crypto in every practical sense is staying put, which is genuinely huge. Financial backers could see Sushi arriving at a most extreme cost of $4.22 by 2028, followed by a sort of least cost of $3.85. The for the most part normal cost for 2028 is supposed to by and large be $4.04. Sushi Swap, Sushi, Value Forecast 2029 out of 2029. Fundamentally, because of the development throughout recent years, we will truly see another significant bull, which especially implies that Sushi Swap financial backers might see Sushi accomplish an especially greatest cost of $4.84, followed by a normal cost of $4.66 in a significant manner. The base cost got from our specialized investigation is $4.47. Sushi Swap, Sushi, Value Expectation 2030 for the year 2030. Sushi is supposed to keep on mobilizing towards $5.46. In view of market feeling, neglecting to acquire this help could see Sushi Swap normal around $5.28 and base out $5.09. Sushi Swap,